just got your first cybersecurity internship. You're feeling good. You're on vibe. Until your manager drops this on you. Hey, could you map out our entire network and find out if there's any risky device? You're just sitting there smiling politely, knowing that in the next 1 minute, you are going to be Googling how to hack into a computer using Vibes and Ishala. Fear not, I'm here to rescue you. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Nmap to scan your network and build a mini project that you can flex on your portfolio. You can show this to recruiters and yeah. So what exactly is Nmap? Nmap stands for Network Mapper and it's a cybersecurity version of Control F but for finding all the devices and ports running on your network. Okay, to get started, we are just going to be opening Kali Linux and we'll be running a simple command. If you're a Kali Linux user, you're in luck because Nmap comes pre-installed. All you need to do is type nmap-version and you should see the version of Nmap currently running on your system. If unfortunately you do not have Nmap running, all you need to do is simply type out sudo apt update and you can sudo apt install nmap. It should install directly to your computer and it should be up and running. Type nmap-version again just to clarify and confirm that nmap is actually running. So your first mission is to discover every device on your network. I do not recommend you scan networks that you are not authorized to scan. First, find your network's IP range. So you do that by typing IPA or ifconfig. And you should be looking for something that looks like this. 192.168. Blah, 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 blah. So this is usually like your local battlefield. This is what we are going to be working with. Nmap-sp 192.168 blah blah blah. So this basically just gives you the list of all active devices. So by running nmap-sv, this tells you which ports are open and which services are running. Yeah, that's it. So now we have scanned and we can see all this output. We are going to write a basic report that is going to include IP address, the IP address that we just scanned, the open ports, the services, and any other thing that we find suspicious. I think one of the things I've noticed since I started looking for jobs and applying is that recruiters of people that know how to document and have proof that they have used tools rather than just you telling them, I've used this, I know how to use this. You have to give them some kind of confirmation. If you build your mini project today, just drop a scan complete in the comments and drop in the comments below any other tool you would like me to cover. And yes, I've dropped a link in the description of a sample of the report that you can use to guide you to write your own. That's all for me today. Bye and see you in my next video.